In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search photos by face in Google Photos. If you have a large photo library, finding pictures of one specific person can save you a lot of time. Google Photos makes this much easier by grouping faces and letting you search through your images more efficiently. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it in a simple and practical way. First, open the Google Photos app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where your photos are stored, since the search results will only reflect the images available in that account. Once the app is open, give it a moment to load your library if needed. Next, tap the search button. This is where Google Photos helps you locate people, places, and things inside your photo collection. To search photos by face, add a name in the search area. If the person has already been recognized and labeled in your library, typing that name should bring up matching results. This works especially well when Google Photos has already grouped that person's face across multiple images. As you enter the name, Google Photos will look through your organized photo groups and display the relevant match. After that, you'll see the photos associated with that name. In other words, the app will show you the pictures connected to that person's face, making it much easier to find the images you want without scrolling through your entire gallery manually. If the results appear right away, that means face grouping and recognition have likely already done their job in the background. If not, you may need to give Google Photos more time to organize your library, especially if the images were recently uploaded. Also, keep in mind that the feature can vary slightly depending on your device, app version, or region. A helpful tip is to use clear, consistent names when labeling people, because that makes future searches faster and more accurate. Once everything is set up, searching by face becomes one of the easiest ways to revisit family photos, event pictures, or images of a specific friend. And that's all it takes. Open Google Photos, tap search, enter the name, and view the matching photos connected to that face. It's a simple feature, but it can make managing a big photo library much more convenient.